Hi everyone. So you can see this is a Tata Nano. Just come to Autorounders in Mumbai for the sunroof installation. So you can see right now, this is how it comes standard, and we'll be installing sunroof in this car. Stay tuned, guys. Hi everyone. So you can see this is the same Tata Nano which had come for sunroof installation. So you can see we have installed the manual sunroof in this car. So let me show you how it's operated. So it's a manual sunroof. You have to use it manually. It's very easy to open. You can see. And now we'll show you how to put it back. Since it's manual, there is no electronics involved, no maintenance. This sunroof comes with warranty of 1 year. And this is the same brand which gets installed in all the premium cars as well. So it's clip to clip fitting, it's waterproof and with warranty. So you can call Autorounders on 7666 930 930. We are from Mumbai.